The Chief of Army Staff don call on host communities to continue to collaborate with security agencies for the fight against crimes and insecurity for their area. Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya talked this one when he commissioned some projects for Buguma for Rivers State. The General Officer commanding 6th Division General Jamal Abdul Salam will represent Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya for the commissioning. Contact said the army will continue to perform in social responsibility for communities where they operate. He constantly pledged the army's commitment to work with other sister agencies to fight crimes.
The Nigerian Army has over the years been taking deliberate steps towards ensuring that it gives back to the society the cooperation it has received by way of observing some corporate social responsibilities and providing social safety nets to those in need. This is very much in line with my vision, which is to have a professional Nigerian army ready to accomplish assigned missions within a joint environment in the defense of Nigeria. In pursuance of this, I have ensured that we pay very close attention to the non-kinetic aspect of our military operations. In this respect, the need to ensure that we have a good and cordial relationship with the civil populace and indeed the host communities where we conduct our military operations cannot be overemphasized. This crave for a cordial relationship necessitated the conception of the remodeling and renovation of nursery and primary school, skill acquisition center and primary healthcare center at Buguma community.
Now let me also use this opportunity to make a clearer call to indigenes of Buguma and indeed Calabari living in diaspora around the country, around the world, to come together and see how we can bring needed development to our communities around this part. There is so much. The last 9 months I have been closely participating in this project, coming virtually every month from Abuja to inspect the works. I found that there is so much that we can do individually and collectively to bring development quickly and possibly to this land that we all love to call Buguma City.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.